What is a person's most powerful sex organ? Most powerful sex. Here, let me do something here. I want to put this up here. Right here. Whoa. I could get X-rated for this. I could be turned off all TVs in the world. This is your most powerful sex organ. His and hers. You ready? It's not covered by a swimming suit. It's not between your legs, it's between your ears. The most powerful sex organ that you have. His and hers. Right here is where sex is determined. You say, yeah, okay. In a few minutes, you're going to really see what I mean by that. The most powerful sex organ you have is your mind. Do you realize your mind weighs about 3 pounds? It's the most intricate, complicated 3 pounds of mass in the entire universe. You say, oh yeah, that's nice. No, it's true. Let me show you what I mean. In this 3 pound of mass in your brain, there's 10 billion neurons. Whoa. There's 100 billion support cells. Get this. There's 100 trillion. You couldn't count to trillion probably in 3 months. There's 100 trillion connectors that connects all the neurons and the cells together for you to operate. Now here's to me what's really amazing. Every second, 1 million new connectors are created in your brain. We just went through 2.5 million. No, I'm serious. Think of that. That's why it's the most intricate mass, 3 pound mass in the universe. The human brain. And this is what's amazing. Remember the connectors? These connect the cells together. And I want to show you this. The connectors are like this. They connect the cells, and through this passes in like an electrical shock, like in a cord, you plug it in, and the electricity goes through the cord. And it goes from one cell to the other cell to help you make decisions and all in rapid succession. But here's the problem. If you take an electrical cord and you strip all the coating off of it, then it'll water down how fast and how much of the current goes to the end of the cord. Well, it's the same way here. When you are born, you're born with just a bare connector, and they're created with bare connectors. But as you grow older, there's a white kind of, what would you call it, insulation called myelin that forms around your cell starting the end of your teenage years going into your 20s. And it starts to insulate it like this. And it forms, it's often called the myelin shaft. It forms a whitey matter around it so your electrical signals from one cell to the other and decision making and everything will pass through it without being watered down and fast. But this doesn't happen in your mind until the end of your teenage years and the beginning of 20 to 25 years of age. Now, this is key to understand. The key to sex is not between your legs. It's between your ears. You probably all know what orgasm is, or you heard about it and everything. Well, it's quite an exciting feeling. Orgasm happens right here. Does not happen between your legs. And it's now proven scientifically it happens in your mind. You guys don't believe me? You don't think that's true in Haiti? Let me tell you. Disconnect your mind, guys, and try to get aroused. You can't. It's right up here. Now remember this. They have never created a condom for the mind. You with me? They've never created a condom for the mind. Now, the Bible says flee sexual immorality, for it's the one sin that affects your body, starting with your mind.